Assalamu alaikum. I am Zainab Imran. Welcome to Math Easy with Math Mentor. Today's topic is significant figures. These are the numbers I am going to explain you how to find significant figures. So let's start today's lesson. The first rule is all non-zero numbers are significant. For example, if I am going to write here any number 3245 and I ask you how many significant figure in this number, so you are just going to count. First number you are going to count from the left side. So first significant figure is 3, then this is the second significant figure, this is the third, and this one is the fourth significant figure. So your answer is 4 significant figure. Now if I write next number like 123 and I ask you how many significant figure in this number, so your answer will be 1, 2, 3. You are just going to count the numbers from the left side. So this was the rule number 1. All non-zero numbers are significant. Non-zero means when there is no zero. Okay, second rule is 0 between the non-zero digits are significant. That is also significant, means you are going to count the numbers. For example, if I write 3021 and I ask you how many significant figure in this number, so you are going to count this 0 as well. 0 between the non-zero that are significant, that you are going to count. So again you will start from left side, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So the answer will be 4 significant figure, means you are going to count the 0 between the non-zero. Okay, so for example, if I write 0, 8, 0, 1 and 0. Now you will not count the beginning 0. Beginning zeros or leading zeros are non-significant. Even the ending 0 or trailing 0, if there is no decimal, that you will not count. They are not significant. But 0 between the non-zero you are going to count. So this first 0, beginning 0 or leading 0 you will not count. So you will start from here, 1, 2, 3. And again you will not count the trailing 0. So your answer will be 3. This is very important. Okay. Now the next rule is, for example, leading 0. I already explained leading zeros you will not count. But what if there is a decimal like this, 0.00 3526 3526, and I ask you how many significant figure in this number, so your answer will be, you will not count these zeros. Beginning zeros or leading zeros you are not going to count. So you will count from, this is your first significant figure, then second, third and fourth. So your answer will be 4 significant figure. Again I will explain, you will not count the leading zeros and ending 0 if there is no decimal. But if there is a decimal, so you are going to count. Okay, let me write the number. For example, 0.0523. So in this case, again, beginning zeros or leading zeros you will not count. So your significant figure start from 5, this number, 1, 2, 3, 4. Last 0, ending 0 or trailing 0 you are going to count. That is significant. So the answer will be 4 significant figure. But ending 0 or trailing 0 you will not count when there is no decimal. Like in this question, we didn't count this 0 because there was no decimal. But when there is a decimal, so you will count the ending 0. So answer is 4. I hope it's clear to you all. Okay. Let's do now this worksheet. Find the number of significant figure in each of the following. I hope now all the rules are clear to you. Now this number 3.57. So how many significant figure? 3. You are just going to count from the left side, 1, 2, 3. So your answer is 3. Again 7.005. So you are going to count second rule, zeros between the non-zero. So answer will be 4. Now when the leading zeros 0.045, are you supposed to count the leading zeros? No, you will not count these two zeros. So your significant figure start from this number 4 and this 5 2. So answer is 2. Next is 0.00235. Again leading zeros you will not count. So what will be your answer? 3. 1 2 3. 20.020200. Now these zeros you are going to count, because between zeros you are going to count, ending zeros, trailing zeros you are going to count, because there is a decimal. So start from the left side. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So there are 8 significant figures. All these are significant figures. Now ending zero, I said trailing zero you will not count when there is no decimal. So here the answer is only 1. You will not count this ending zero because there is no decimal. 23.0. So again this is very important. You will count. This is a significant figure because there is a decimal. So 1 2 3. Your answer is 3. I hope it's clear to you. You like my video. Now there is a worksheet that you are going to do it, and if you have any question while doing this worksheet, feel free to ask me in the comment section, and do not forget to share it with your friends. Thank you so much. I hope you